Hi Will, my name is Brooke. I'm with Snowdrop Digital Marketing. In this video, I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks on how you can enhance your online presence. These three things will optimize your website for Google, they will enhance your website and convert more customers, and they will bring more traffic to your website. So the three things I'm going to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. So I came across your business and I noticed a few things that can be improved. I don't want to waste your time. I don't want to waste my time either. So I'm going to come in here, show you how you can enhance it. All this information is free. You can do them yourself. Or if you decide by the end of this video that I have a lot to offer your company, then feel free to reach out and we can schedule a short phone call and see if I can actually help your business. Okay, so about 95% of the time, whenever someone needs a service, they will research roofing in Charlotte, North Carolina. And the first thing that pops up here are the Google guaranteed ads. I believe I found your business in there. And then there is the Google business page and the organic listings. 30% of your business should be coming from the GMB, and the remaining 70% should be coming from your organic listing or your website. Um, I noticed that you have a link in here, but whenever we click on that, it gives a 404 error code, which means there's either something wrong with the website or something wrong with the link between Facebook and the website. Okay, so first we're going to talk about citations. A citation is a direct reference for your company's name, phone number, and address. You can find these on Facebook, Yelp, um, Yellow Pages, LinkedIn. You go in there and create a listing for your website. That's a citation. The more citations you have, the better. You don't want to just stop at how many Southern Star Roofing has. You want to beat them by at least 50 or 100 to really dominate them in that area. The next thing we're going to talk about is content. That is everything that you see on your page. It's the words, the images, what the image is saved as, and even the space behind the image. The more content you have, the better. Google prefers that you have at least 1,500 words on your website. And then they have web crawling bots 24/7. They crawl every single website on the internet. They gather information and then they use that information to rank you on the search page. Um, and then they want your keywords to be sprinkled throughout those 1,500 words. That way you don't keyword stuff and it flows and makes sense. The last thing are backlinks. You can think of it as a popularity contest on Facebook. It is a reference from one website to your website, giving your website authority and pointing them to you for the services of roofing. Now, without content, the backlinks are useless and vice versa. Now, not all backlinks are created equal, so you want them to have high power and authority. You want them to have high trust as well. And you also want it to be relevant to the services that you provide. So you don't want to go to a flower shop and ask them for a backlink or call them for a backlink, because it's not going to benefit your website. Okay, so I'm going to compare your website to your top three competitors in Charlotte. Here we have Guy Roofing. They have 146 keywords and they are getting 1,000 people on their website each month. You're probably thinking, okay, why does that matter? 30% of those people are converted into real sales. So the whole point of the website is for the website to work for you and be a new revenue for generating customers. Yes, it is an investment, but it's a long-term investment that can, if you do it right, it can only bring you um, results and benefits and positive customers rather than being a money pit. Okay, here is Baker Roofing in Charlotte. They have some decent information. Okay, they have 155 keywords and they're getting 944 people on their website each month. Okay, so they're doing pretty good as well. And last we have Charlotte Roofing Specialist. It's so important that you have this form at the top right here. You want easy access for all of your clients. As soon as they come to your page, bam, they see how they can contact you. Quick, easy, just a few clicks, and then you'll get back to them quickly. All right, so they have a low power and a high trust rating, which tells me that they do not have the best backlinks, but they are getting some good quality backlinks. They have 989 people on their website each month. So a website is not just a website, it's a whole new revenue of generating customers that can benefit your company if it's done right. Um, anyway, thanks for watching the video, and feel free to reach out if you want to set up a phone call to see if I can help your company. Have a great day.